Hi everyone, so today I'm going to talk about the Openbots. So Openbots is one of the new RPA enterprise tool which is based on zero cost licensing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we download and install the Openbots Studio. Okay, so let's go. Over here you can see the URL. Okay, and this is cloud.openbots login. So I'll mention this URL in my video description. So you need to create a user on this portal. So fortunately, I already created user for my name. You can see over here. Once you are done, then you are going to click on download Studio free. You will see like get your community edition. It is free. You need to click over here download installer. So once you click on download installer, you will be able to download the exe file, and you just need to install it just following the instruction. The installation is not typical, it's very easy. Okay, so once you install the Openbots Studio, so Openbots Studio we use is to develop the bots. Okay, and I can show you how it looks like. So once the installation is done, you are going to click over here. It's a new, once you open it, there will be a new open settings. You just need to create a new, click on new. You can mention as the project name, that is test2. Okay, and create it, right? So this is how your new project is being created. Okay, and whenever you open a new project or whenever you create a new project, you will see the show max's hello world. It's just like the messaging. Just display the syntax, display the word. This is hello world. Okay, and you need to click on close over here. As you can see the success, that means bot ran successfully after displaying the hello world, right? You need to click over here, that is close button. Okay, so that's it from my side, guys. I will be uploading more videos based on Openbots, and I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and don't forget to share its URL with your friends, YouTube URLs, right? Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.